Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can create a dashboard. You can develop a dashboard having a front end in Microsoft Excel, whereas all the data is placed and retrieved from back end, and that is kept on Microsoft Access. You can use many other databases like SQL Server, or so for the time being, we are using Microsoft Access because it's a part of Microsoft Office, and you can it is easily available and does not require so much resources of hard disk. So we have chosen Microsoft Access to for our backend processes, right? So for this dashboard, it is meant for managing all your activities, whatever your day to day, week to week, monthly, yearly activities, whatever you have, these are marked as due. And then what you have performed are marked as performed, and the balance is the backlog and overdue, right? So, and this dashboard provides you to clear your dashboard. Okay, so for example, and there are some other things. For example, if something you have already marked as performed, like this one, you have already marked it performed on 22nd of. So you can choose this to be rollback. For example, let's roll back and see how does it do. Right? We are choosing to roll back until 22nd of August. Okay, we say yes. So it will list down the until 20. So these five, these were rolled back, and it's ready to send you the notification on the email notifying to the user, Rowan, just in whatever the email address we have. For the moment, we have made sure that the email does not go to anybody else except myself, so that I can show you that email is being received with all these things which have taken place in the dashboard, and the details of the last transaction, and which days have been rolled back, and what was the date stamp of means the date which until when the rollback has been performed, right? So let's click OK, yes here. So the email has gone, and we will see that how do we receive it in here. So what we do, we go quickly to Microsoft uh, to our Chrome, and this is our email, and this is the email which is received just now, and uh, so it already has two versions today. So we received the one which is shown as a 0 minutes ago. Yeah, this is the 0 minutes ago email, and this is what, yeah, the the word no shows that this is the rollback procedure in which um, this day the transaction which was stamped on 22nd of August, they were rolled back, right? And they were actually due on these dates, right? So, so this is our latest situation in which we have 8,646 now overdue, right? And 13,206 are performed, right? So let's close it. Yeah, remember 8,646. So if we go back to the previous thing, you would see a difference. Yeah, this is 8,422 were performed, right? So now it is rolled back, and it is the figures are rolled back. Okay, so this is how we do the rollbacking, and at the same time, the email is being used. Email the same code which we showed you, you do not have to rewrite all the time a code for rollbacking and then the email saying no. Only one time the code has been written to email, and that is being used for all the cases, whether you do the rollback or whether you just retrieve the information by just clicking on it, and then still the same program is now offering you to email, right? So you don't have to make any changes in the email procedure, because this is called building block approach. Means every block is doing its own job at any time. When it is required, it is called and it performs it. So this is a common procedure, commonly used by different situations. Uh, uh, the same code unalteredly. There's no changes required to be made, but the latest report will go through the email, right? And let's see if we want to unperform some certain dates. Hmm? So what we did, first of all, let's perform a report. Huh? We perform and then we do the unperforming, right? We say yes. So these are the five uh, uh, tasks which have been uh, performed. Hmm. And these are marked, and it is using 27th of August, right? So if we what we do that we try to see that what happens when we unperform from 11th of August, hmm, from 11th of October 2015 till when? Till 15th of October 2015, right? And we want to unperform it, right? So this will echo you, this will respond to you that now it is ready to unperform marking for the following period. That's right. Okay. 11 October to 15 October, right? When you say yes, so it does done performing, and and it is going to send you the email. If you say yes, the email is uh, forwarded to you, and unperforming is done, right? So this is another look of our dashboard, which which is working time testedly. We are now proceeding for the further automation, inshallah. So stay tuned to our channel, and thanks for supporting our channel. Thank you very much for watching.